Ken Kelly here, founder and CEO of the Kencredible. Basically, the best day trader, stock market trader you've ever seen. That's me. And so, I've got a bunch of stuff I've drawn up for you guys to start teaching you guys the basics. People probably are scared of the stock market, intimidated by the stock market, so they go to options and forex trading. They get in groups and they follow indicator trades and things like that. So I'm just going to make something very similar for the stock market because it is in the US, so it's easier to follow. There's more information, more news available for US stocks as opposed to like exotic foreign currencies that we have no idea of how they work, what makes them go, the exchange rates go up and down. Whereas in the US, we can just go to Walmart, we can go to Best Buy, we can go to Ross, we can go to Target, we can go to Sears. We can actually see these companies, we can actually see these pharmaceutical companies and technology companies such as like Apple, Microsoft, Google. We can actually visit and research ourselves these companies and see how we expect the investment we're making to perform, whether we expect it to go up, whether we expect it to come down. So that's just one of many things that I'm going to go over. I'm going to go over it all. I'm going to offer an initial course for free, just basic information to get us to be able to understand. I think there's too much of us who just don't understand what the stock market is, and that's unfortunate because there's a lot of opportunities we have to grow our money, such as banks do. When we open up accounts, they grow your money basically to establish their big companies and their big buildings. And so yes, I think that each and every American citizen should know kind of about the stock market in ways that they can grow their own wealth for their future and for their families, especially since retirement has been taken away from the workforce these days. And plus, we're in a pandemic, as you see. So what I've done is I've had a test example account because a lot of people hear and stuff and it sounds good, but if you can't see and you can't show and prove something, then it's really hard to believe. And so I believe I'm one of the only people who have actually went live on Facebook or any other method for a whole month and showed their growth. So I took a $25,000 day trade account and turned it into $50,000 in about a 2-week period of time. And I just did this during the coronavirus pandemic. So this proves that my method actually works for reals. I'm not really interested in trading because I'm more interested in teaching. And so I'm about to launch this any day now, guys. So let's just stay tuned. Make sure you register. Like I said, the first course is for free. Share it with your family and friends. Obviously, if you want to learn more, you can. It goes from experts to beginners. And so, like I said, I'm reading from the syllabus here. As you can see, I do have, I'm going to show you on the screen right here that I'm looking at. It's this course syllabus. All right. And so you probably can't read that. So what I'll do is I'll flip this back around and I'll read basically what we offer from the beginning to the end. Basically, you probably, if you're interested, if you've ever been an entrepreneur, if you've ever been an investor, if you've got a mind to want to grow money, then and like I said, the very fastest way to grow money is the stock market. Besides maybe the forex market, but like I said, the forex market is probably a little bit more risky. The reason why a lot of people prefer the forex market and options trade is just because it's cheaper to get into. But I'm going to show you ways to where you can safely, securely manage the stock market correctly. And like I said, this goes from the beginning level to the advanced. So like I said, without any further ado, Stock School here about us. 10-time national day trade champion. It's actually probably about 30 times, but I just said 10 times just to be humble about it. But I actually have my certificates and my rewards that, for those who are interested, I can show. Some of you have already seen them. But anyway, so yeah, 10-time national day trade champion. Highest proven return in the shortest time. 40 years of combined experience covering all aspects of trading, because it's not just me. I've actually got my mom who's taught me how to trade at the very beginning. She's awesome. So she's actually, we've combined some of our knowledge now to run this school. And so yes, we have 40 years of combined experience covering all aspects of trading. two-time Invest Fly champion, Wall Street survivor, second place award winner, certificate Series 7 license. So anyway, so the first part of this is going to be the consultation stage, people. So when you come in, we're going to talk to you, get a feel, just like you go to any other financial advisor. They're going to get a feel for what your risk is, what your goals are, and everything like that. So we're going to talk with you and see exactly probably what fits for you, because we can customize plans. I mean, the stock market does work really to mold whoever it is. So like I said, we have the consultation stage, which is the initial conversation to determine the class starting point, explaining the importance of having multiple screens, the importance of virtual accounts to gain experience. I recommend people to open virtual trading accounts so you don't have to risk real money as you learn. So we'll go over those things at the beginning. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you know, you've got some company pitches, which I've already kind of went over, so there's no need to go over that. How do you make a successful career trading stocks? That's the big question. And so we're going to go over that. And basically the answer, real quick, is just, you know, consistent positive trades. All right, you're going to lose money sometimes, you're going to make money sometimes, but consistent positive trades is the key to success. So like I said, I see it coming soon. Yeah, so that is the site, Kencrediblestock.com. I'm going to have a nice staff available, customer service to answer any questions any of you guys have. And so let's get started. Let's make this money. Let's get this shmoney. Kencredible here, y'all. I'm out.